Here I have Realme C55, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar and find here the button battery saver, but unfortunately, as you can see, it's nowhere to be seen. So to add this button, you tap on three dots here, edit titles, and here you can see buttons which you can add. So here we have power saving mode. No, this is like ultra power saving mode. You just tap on it and add it like this. And now we can switch power saving just like this. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can automatically turn it off when your battery is charged up to 19%. You can turn on a specific battery level. You can also manage default optimizations, like you can reduce screen brightness, you can change auto screen off time to 15 seconds, you can disable background synchronization, and you can also lower the screen refresh rate. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.